My people, make sure son pay attention, you know. Make sure you're paying attention. But I'll give you the one here for free. You see the tree here? The tree here. There's a secret about this tree when nobody now telling about. You see, if you feel say you have any form of disease or sickness, and you cut up 3 of them here in a one drinks goblet and soak in a water for 3 days. And drink the water there of a green papaya. Yo, youth, if you not try this, I'll tell you how the tree are powerful. You know, so they send a virus in a Jamaica to kill all papaya tree. I'm going to show you one when we plant. We just did. Look at the papaya. Alright, you see this? A one time a beer, then it looks so. This is a virus named papaya ring spot virus. You see this, so? The papaya now go take dead. And you also go beer next. I'm going to show you something. So see there? They're still a ripe. But because they know the power of this, brother, yo, you not even know this protect your immune system, brother. You see all the disease them they will come like the chicken gun here. I want to leaf them beat up and give baby the sap of the papaya leaf. Brother, look here. This me just pop out in mig like art here, so. Cause tree when dead then claim. Cause then try to kill the tree. But the way papaya determined, brother. Them here are the limb will come out if you can save the papaya life. You see me? So me just give you one secret here. Yeah man, watch them in man. Don't take care of them. They don't care about us, you know. They are here to hurt us, you hear? Straight back to the pharmacy for pills and turn in a drugstore. Peace and light. Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.